I'm Neema from Neema's Kitchen. Now, in today's tips and tricks, let's make a fresh homemade mayonnaise with an electric hand whisk. Before we start, if you have not subscribed to my channel, then please click the subscription button below and the bell icon. Now, let's have a look at the ingredients for our awesome mayonnaise. Powdered sugar 1 teaspoon, salt half teaspoon, lime juice or vinegar 1 tablespoon, mustard paste 1 tablespoon, olive oil or sunflower oil 1 cup. I am using sunflower oil. Egg yolks 2. Now, if you want to make a plain mayonnaise, then just skip the use of mustard paste. But this flavor is really good for sandwiches. In one of my coming episodes, I'll be showing you how to make a mustard paste. This recipe is very simple to make. So, let's start. Here, I have taken 2 egg yolks in a bowl, and now let's add in 1 tablespoon of mustard paste, and then we will mix it using a spoon. And mix it well. Next step is to drop in salt, sugar and lime juice. Let's whisk it on a high speed using an electric blender or a food processor for about 30 seconds till you can see the thickening of the mixture. Further, slowly add 1 cup of oil and whisk it simultaneously till the mayonnaise is thick in consistency. Our mixture is thickened and it's done. Now let's see how the paste looks. Really thick, isn't it good? I've transferred our mayonnaise into a bowl like this. Hope you will try it out. Before that, let me try it out. Wow, it's too good. If you have any doubt, then please use the comment section below. I shall try to answer it. See you all in my next video with another tips and tricks.